How to use Dr. Web Antivirus in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to use Dr. Web Antivirus in Plesk. Click the mail icon. Choose the email address for which you want to configure Dr. Web Antivirus. Click the Dr. Web icon here. Dr. Web Antivirus allows you to have all your incoming and/or outgoing email checked for thousands of known viruses. The Dr. Web Antivirus database of viruses is always kept up to date, making this a terrific solution when guarding against viruses sent via email. Select the Incoming and Outgoing Mail option so all incoming and outgoing mail will be checked for viruses. Click OK when finished. That's it. Dr. Web Antivirus has been successfully configured, as you can see here. Let's go back to the Mail page. The green spider icon here also indicates that Dr. Web Antivirus is set up for this email account. Click here to return to the home page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up Dr. Web Antivirus to automatically check all incoming and outgoing emails for the email account you set up in Plesk. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.